Assalamu alaikum. This is an honor for me to recite the verses of my own poetry here right now. The poem I choose is The Mystery. Let's begin. The mystery. I'm too young to hold. I'm too old to young. This is the mystery. I'm too alive to dead. I'm too dead to alive. This is a mystery. This is a mystery. Having no mystery but the mystery. The next point is that today and tomorrow. The star is very gloomy. Today you are empty. Similarly, tomorrow you are wealthy. The world is yours. The end is very happy. The next poem I'm gonna explain right now is what is time? Remember it till your last breath. Time is like a gushing river, flows violently on its course. None of us can stop it, but put your bow in it as you do and store how much it can contain. Then it is your turn. What would you like to do? Here are the numerous choices as to quench your thirst, cleanse your body, put it in the sunlight that takes it into the sky, or put it in the moonlight that pulls it back and forth. Give it to other creatures. What you do ever, even spill its drops on the abundant land, so green fields probably grow up or something else. Looks, it is you decide. But what that is, you have much to do here before closing the eyes. But decide first what to do. Otherwise, it is ready to take you with its flow to an unknown landscape. Before going with its exuberant flow, only do a little thing, be the flow. Thank you.